today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a photo in Canva. Whether you're working on a creative project or just trying to enhance some personal photos, Canva offers a simple and efficient way to integrate your own images into its design platform. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to upload and start utilizing your images with ease. First, let's navigate over to Canva. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's an incredibly user-friendly design tool that helps both amateurs and professionals bring their creative ideas to life. Head over to your web browser and type in www.canva.com. If you already have an account, simply log in. If you're new to Canva, you'll need to sign up. This process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts to create your free account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the homepage, which is your gateway to a whole world of design possibilities. Next, let's delve into the process of uploading your own photo. Start by opening your computer's file explorer. This is where all your images and files are stored. Choose the image you want to upload into Canva. Now comes the straightforward part: dragging and dropping. Click on the image in your file explorer, hold down your mouse button and drag it over to the Canva interface in your browser. Drop the image into the designated area. If the upload is successful, you'll see a small preview of the image in the Canva upload section. Sometimes it might take a few moments for larger files to appear, but they should show up in your uploads panel. If your image is taking longer than expected, don't worry. It might just be processing. A good tip here is to ensure your internet connection is stable, as that can affect upload speed. Once your image appears in the upload section, you're ready to start incorporating it into your current project. Simply drag the uploaded image onto your design canvas and adjust it as needed. You can resize it, rotate it, or apply filters directly within Canva to make it fit your design aesthetic perfectly. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to upload photos into Canva. With your images uploaded, you can now unleash your creativity by customizing your designs with personal touches. Just a note, always make sure that you have the right to use and edit the images you upload to avoid any copyright issues. Thanks for tuning in today. Super excited to see what you create. Happy uploading.